This science kit is called Miracles of Light and Shadow and it has 7 activities. This video will show 4 of it. These activities have different principles of physics: the mirror reflection, the small hole collect light, and the reflection of the different light. According to these different physics experiments, children can learn more physics knowledge. We should wear the 3D glasses to see the 3D movie so that we can see this cool stereo effect. Now, let us make our 3D glasses to see the 3D picture. Have you ever tried to reflect the sunlight from outdoor to indoor or saw the inverted image on the surface of a beach lake? Mirrors are our best assistants in the light world. Let's explore the wonder and mystery of light together. One small picture or one section of the movie makes you feel it is three-dimensional. That is the popular 3D picture or 3D movie. Now let us make detection glasses. It is quite cool. When you see the light from a distance, you will feel it is fuzzy. Then you try to squint at it to see it more clearly. Now let us make a simple condenser lens.
There are many holes on the lens which will let you see the scene more clearly.